Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we still can't get the tires to set up a car. Just see, let me go show you. It's just here's the car. The door takes forever to open up. Okay, here comes the lightning, guys. Sunlight. It's extra hot. My camera can burn up from hotness. Temperature loses from my camera, and yeah. See, look at the tire. Look at the freaking tire. It is broke. I mean, not broke, but to get the battery from my Dodge Avenger is you have to open the tire up. And there's the battery. There's the battery. So yeah. I was trying to fix it back up there. But I couldn't. So yeah. That's all I wanted to show you. Please comment down below how to work a car. I mean, not work a car, but we know how to start it. But how to get a car back up and locked at the engine, which is we never can really drop. We never can't write it again. So I mean, yeah. Please send us some free. Please send us a free tire. Please. Alright, just please give a thumbs up, turn on notification, and subscribe. Bye.